Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode and ngikho one today. Ngihamba nabobani.
Mina ngisibongile mara abantu abaningi bangazi ngoMambatha.
Mambatha, okay. Tell me.
Yeah, Nkanyiso Mbatha. Yeah, no nickname nje, Nkanyiso Mbatha.
No nickname?
No nickname at all.
Awukazi oba nickname nje empilweni yakho?
Angazi. Igama lami njengoba ngilisho nje ID everything even nakuma social media Nkanyiso Mbatha.
Sure.
Phelela lapho. No nickname.
Okay, and by the way, sinosihle lapho ku backstage, so like ngingamanga like mayibuza like imibuzo le and there ne. Yeah. Okay, to people who don't know, because they ukhona mhlambe uzobeqala ukunibona today, like like what's going on? Like ngifuna ukwazi about your relationship status.
Okay, mina naye okay sorry. Like mina naye okay ngithini like siyathandana ngisho kanjalo. Yeah, and also sipushana content like kuyo yonke lento le yabo. Yeah.
Yeah, sithandana into serious like le into serious like umshado. Kufanele nibe ready for umshado kahle.
Serious?
Because le into serious honestly.
Yeah, kusilento ye content ukuthi yabo.
It's more than content, it's more than love kahle lento. Yeah, ngasho kanjalo. It's more than love.
It's more than love.
Because manje like most of our relationship is online. It's content.
Yeah.
Like nigga ne realize the lento le.
Yeah, most cause manje sekugcwele wona vele.
That's how people make money. Like it's like a strategy of people to make money.
Kahle. Because abanye bayabona ukuthi vele i-trend lento. Abanye bayenza i-trend ukujola nani.
Yeah.
Kanti thina vele besingayiqalelanga i-trend. Thina mina bengenza nje because yabo bengibona vele ukuthi hayi le ingaba yinhle vele lento yabo. But some of the pics I took them unexpected vele yabo. Yeah. Akusukuthi into ebengiyiplanile ngathi hayi ngifuna mina naye sishoot because obviously bengana content creator mind yabo.
But see, what makes that? Because now economic relationship mhlambe abantu abathandanayo like aba postayo but they don't get trend. Like yini enza ukuthi mhlambe to those specific relationship like kube nalento ukuthi abantu like kube ne spark so ukuthi like abantu now they're interested like go content yini because like why? Like because maningi ama relationship which are out there but it's few which they are like there's a lot of relationship which are public but it's few which are loved and which abantu mhlambe abareacta go like too much. So what makes mhlambe like in ngokubona kweni like ama relationship like trend and stuff as I figure to an extent ukuthi abantu bayithanda relationship yini?
For me, I think like okay, it's as isikhathi ne-trend ne.
Okay.
Mara obvious like abantu if like unomuntu oyi-1 angisi like obvious abantu bazomjwayela lo muntu lo ukuthi okay sharp wena unalo muntu lo osona so and bakuthanda mawunaye. That's why I want like masuhlukana nomuntu sebefuna yena like bakubuza ngayo ukuthi hey thina phela sifuna ubani yabo sifuna usibani uphi usibani into enjalo because abantu like sebekujwayele nayo lo muntu loyo. So that's why abaningi like because abaningi thola ukuthi okay sharp maybe ngiyapost okay ngithola igirl maybe after some few months okay sharp ngiyapost and I supposed okay kuba mnandi nani and then like after manje nje okay sisimjwayela ugirl jiji ugirl akasekho so khona omunye umuntu so sometimes abantu like bayabhore ukuthi okay sharp angeke phela sina sisithanda lo wena so letho omunye kanjalo like lokho shintsha abogirl wena so yabo abanye abantu bayabhoreka so that's why igcine like sengasa trend or abanye abantu bayabhoreka like so even if like so dumile or so mkhulu abanye abantu mara sebaya usayi lo so shintsha abogirl uyabhora sewebo.
Honestly speaking from my side mina lento ngibona ngathi nabantu bayo vele lento.
Yeah ne?
Lento nabantu bayo lento because there are so many couples ubona ukuthi hayi laba hayi bayafanelana but then vele they get low engagement or whatever. Lento nabantu bayo honestly because kunama couple amabi ubona ukuthi but still they make it uyabona baya trend every time. Inabantu bayo lento isegazini kahle. Content creation I think is like that inabantu bayo. So nje mayinithandile yan favor honestly izoba njalo because you'd get ukuthi omunye oshuthi isithomba abhekele yaphethe ibag nje 10k likes wena ugqoke refresh ubhekene ecamera yonke into right but uzitholela leyo 4 yakho so yabo inabantu bayo lento honestly ngeke vele siphumelele ngendlela efanayo yabo so shuthi vele umdali into akunika yona ukuthi hayi thatha yenza ngalento isinkwa so yabo or okay if awenza isinkwa but isasere same nje inabantu bayo lento yeah inabantu bayo.
Okay, asithathe siyibuyiseleni ekukhuleni kwenu. Awutham like wena ukhula nobani enhle kwenzakalani like with your upbringing?
Ne mina ngathini angaze ngaba nabangani abaningi vele yabo.
Serious?
Hayi bengingase umuntu ohamba nabangani like abaningi into ezinjalo hayi. Bekuba nalabo abo specific maybe le uthunyane specific yabo ngikhule nabo as time goes yabo kanjalo but mina bengingase umuntu obangani abaningi like group hayi bengayenzi leyo nto. Bekuba nalabo bangani ukuthi hayi ngiphila nale out one way or ngiphila nale out one way because into eneningi ayipheli kahle like ayibi right into eneningi. So mani ba yi3 nje kanjalo hayi iba right because uyazi noma umsherela indaba zakho if ngayizwa ku someone ngiyazi ukuthi ubani nomtshelile but masibaningi ngizoxakeka namkhazi ubani sengigcine yabo sengikhatha abantu of aba wrong wayilinyoki yabo yeah
Shothi umuntu othanda ukuhlala endlini or something.
Hayi angeke mina ngumuntu othanda ukuphuma ngithanda ukutravela mina hayi but nje when it comes to abantu hayi ngipersonal like kuba yilabo bantu angifuni into eneningi like ukuthi ngibe nabantu abaningi lona umngani wami nalomo hayi no even nakwabanye ngiyayicacisa nje ukuthi I'm not your friend noma siblomile ngiyayicacisa nje because abanye vele yangithi baba naleyo mentality ukuthi umngani wakho ngoba senblomile yabo so mina ngicacisa kusase ukuthi hayi siblomile vele it's a normal day but I'm not your friend yabo yeah injalo.
Okay no yakus and then like i-guarantee yakho like ekhaya mhlambe ubani mhlambe umuntu like ukhula ngaphansi kwakhe?
Uma wami because manje currently ngihlala noma wami stepfather nabantwana bakithi abayi2 yeah but i-guarantee yami ngasho ukuthi umama wami because uye nje i-time umama uyu umuntu esenza into eziningi naye yabona even if nginama flop ngiyamsherela ngimtshela kunezinye vele zama out engingakwazi ukumtshela but most of the things yabo ngiyamtshela nje ukuthi kusona so naye ngiadvise la khona yabo yeah uye nje umuntu engibheke kuye sikhulume nento ezipersonal about life angitshele nje anything because manje vele sesiclose too much noma yabo see i relationship yami naye yabo ngathini is strong yeah is strong
ubaba ukuphi
ubaba ubaba washo ushone last of last year yeah last of last year
okay
yeah
no but kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi uthi i-audit lakho li time ali audit where else kuna stepfather
angazi ngayibeka kanjani angithi step dad size sengikhulile vele
okay
yabo I was introduced kuye like vele sengikhulile yabo and umama wami I think naye azange amnike leyo ndawo yokuthi akhe abe ubaba wale umama wami like bekazenzela yonke into even if kumele adlala irole yobubaba uyazenzela kimi yabo something like that not ukuthi yes ugazi naye uba khona 14 akaze maybe ngithini no uyazama kuba khona yabo 14 nani but that's why ngithi umama umama cause yabo umjita kahle kahle angikho open kuya sikhulumi like ngento zamajita like asina relationship ye father and son asina leyo relationship
but yenziwa yini lento leyo because do you guys like stay in the same house?
Yeah
but yenzeka kanjani hlala endlini ewana athi because obvious like you know ezinye izinto like vele mele usikhulume mhlambe nomuntu
I think naye akanginikanga leyo yabo because umuntu angithi naye uyakunika leyo nto ukuthi hayi mntwana yami ungashare noma yini nawe yabo but kunabanye angeke kunike leyo nto yes yena angaba ubaba grand anything but angakuniki leyo safe space ukuthi like now feel comfortable ukuthi ungaringa ezinye izinto naye yabo meaning mina ngifeel comfortable ukukhuluma nazo kubani kumama ku-oledi
kwesinye isikhathi yenziwa naye isikhwele sika baba mfana
kahle ka
awucaba
yeah but injalo mfethu yabo that's why azange nginikele sasikhala sokuthi ngikhalele kuye nami njenge out ukuthi kuso azange nginike leso yabo but yena shem yeah ugrand yena yabo
but wena yini owake wayizama mhlambe because mhlambe he's been waiting for you ukuthi now uze kuye and stuff wena yini izinto okwazama wabona ngathi ukuthi I still that space or whatever like that opportunity yokuthi ukhulume naye uyithole like yini wakwayizama?
mina honestly kuye like ngikhalela kuye maybe so ukuthi financially so yabo ngiyamtshela ukuthi awuthi yami kusona so ediskin kune tournament eso and uma already ngathi akanazinto so bengicela nawe ukuthi ungizame yabo nani noma kunzima ukumcela yena because angijwayelanga ukumcela yabo but nginokukhalela kuye ngithi mfethu kusona so yabo ngikhali nami is out naye vele uyasho ukuthi mfethu makuna something okhala ngayo woza kimi nani yabo mina yimi I think ngoba sengijwayele already mina ukuthi hayi umama mvele yabo it's like that.
Yeah.
Okay, no ngiyazwakala. And then when my sister how is your upbringing and who are your guardian mhlambe ohlala nabo?
For mina i-guardian yami umama wami yabo.
Okay.
As for ubaba, sure. Yo. Yes.
Abobaba.
So yeah, mina baba makangikhulisanga. Like baba ngimsaba mina even ngisesemncane bangijilile ukuthi okay, sha umuntu osovela ubabakhe yabo. So like every time mangimbona like benginokubaleka like ngimbalekele because angijwayelanga. Yeah, bengibaleka because angijwayelanga like angazi ngizothina yabo. And then like sometimes bayanokunikeza imali yabo. Mara imali khona maybe like ngizoyilahla like ngithathe ngifaka umhlabathi yabo and then mangifika endlini ngizothi hayi ngidobhile ake ngithena ungiphile yabo because like mengekho ngathini like bengamjwayelanga ngalo ndlela leyo ukuthi manje like yabo so mina like ngikhulisa stepfather sami yabo but then ke akasekho so yeah so like I feel like uye bekakhona for mina like kuyo yonke into like yabo bekahleza khona
more than your dad more than your dad
even like ifoni yami isengwe uye yabo because even before azoshona like uyo ayisengifuni yami like ubaba sure like umcela into ne ukutshela ukuthi even namanje December ngena ngisengena impahla asiyena uyagula yena like selokho agula unyaka wonke every time ngimela senda imali yena uyagula inini norawara and emhlungu zosimase ngiphumelele uzobe sekabuya sekathi hey mntana makangifuni warawara into ezinjalo yabo so like I feel like unama empty promises amaningi so because nami ngivele ngaphuma kuyo as like as in it's fine yabo ngaphuma because vele umuntu bengenzela even nalo sama mama ngitshela ukuthi there was time la ngisesemncane Rose I think iChristmas yabo and then like ngathi bengenayo impahla and stuff and then stefana sami sikwatile ukuthi hey wangangitshela ukuthi umntana akanayo impahla wara inini yabo wow baba ena shem yazi neziphilela impilo yakhe shem like akana ndaba yabo but then like ngamngelile I was like as in it's fine yabo it's not like okusela ngizokhula la without yena and ngizoba grand empilweni ngaphandle kwakhe so yeah
but ekugcineni ubaba wakho mfethu awukwazi ukumbalekela
no ukuthi ngiyamzonda or ngithini just like yo like ubhlungu because ukhona uyaphila usebenza grand yabo mara like at least even if okay shop anginikeza imali ukuthi okay shop mntanami ke gibela ke uze ngizokubona ke hlale ke mina nawe or something like that at least it matters because ngiyazi ukuthi okay shop ngispendile isikhathi nobaba nana manje na like next nje the only thing ngicabanga maybe ukuthi like ngifuna imali I don't know because uyazi vele ukuthi okay kumele ngisendile imali mara mangimela senda imali like ama excuse kumele ngihlezi ngiunderstand like hey okay shop ngiya understand ke uyagula nayazi ngivelelwe yini okay sharp no antamidul okay sharp like every time like njalo umuntu akhona uyagula mara uyakwazi uposta wenza yonke into inini so umuntu engimaza okay sharp ngiyavuma uyagula so akwazi ukusenda imali ugula like imali ayithumeleki ngoba wena uyagula ke so mina ngingaqoki mara abantwana bakho ngiyababona ke the step daughter sakhe ngiyasibona okay sharp bayashuza nani kumnandi wesiphatha upostana notshwala mara kuyena ubroke ini uyagula wara
inkingi lapho
yabo
nisho ukuthi guys singabo date ababhedayo
eish kubi mfethu
kanjani kanti because most yamantombazane esowazalayo abasifuni nangothi ukhuliswa i-step date yena uncamela sona kunotata kodwa utata ukhona uyaphila
yeah phela yena like bekahleza ngisupport even if like yonke bengafuna nokuthi bangishaye mina kisi bekangafuni or like beyimnyanyise lento leyo bekamtshela mama ukuthi nihlalise phansi ukhulume naye yabo bekangafuni nje ukuthi like ngishaywe and stuff like bekangiphathisa umntana wakhe yabo so nje mina ngakhetha yena shemay bangixolele
so kahle wena mawubheka like ngoba manje so ukhulile intenze izinto like uzibona ngenye indlela iproblem ikuphi kahle like yeah like ikuphi inkinga
akubona like umuntu meka nomfazi like maybe so nomfazi like akashadanga mara like maybe uhlala ne-girlfriend yakho nabantwana so like manje sofila sengathi and wesiphat i-girlfriend yakho ninomntana naye endlini
Yeah.
so sofile ngazi ukuthi manje umthwalo like mningi so laba bangaphandle bona usabanaki because obviously i-girlfriend yakho izofila somehow ukuthi hawu wena abantwana abambala endlini nananananana wena manje sonaka laba abanye so wena ubona ngcono ukuthini hayi laba bambona ngizobayekela and then ngizonaka laba engibabonayo ukuthi because kuthi nabanye ama-girlfriend ayacomplain akutshela ukuthi hey yini awuyifuni ingane yami uyayizonda wara yabo so nje I think maybe that's why because angeke ngithi maybe umuntu ohola imali encane like ukuthi umuntu ohola imali encane okay shop ngiya-understand sometimes maybe nama-expenses amaningi mara like ngo-December like uthola ama-bonus uthola izinto like usuke unemali so ngeke uzucomplain because it's not like mangisi ngifuna imali ngifuna ama-5,000 nananani ngisuke ngafuni nemali ebhaya just at leyo ukuthi okay ngigcwalise la ngigcwalisa khona actually sengimdala like ziningi into engizidingayo sengimdala manje neke uzokubuza umuntu akhona manje i-uniform unayo i-uniform ufuna i-uniform ini shoda ngane i-uniform mtshela athi hayi ngizokusendela imali mara kumele asende imali sekayagula uzibuza ukuthi hayi ke angisaziki because wesiphathu wuyo oqalayo akutshela ukuthi hey ufuna ini because nini ngiyamtshela ukuthi hey yazi kumele ngikuthengele i-laptop wara and I'm like i-laptop nginayo mina how umuntu ushuthi like I don't know if maybe like yena bekanayo i-laptop manje or bekafuna ukubonisa sengathi like usupportive nananani because after ngimtshela ukuthi i-laptop nginayo bangi-blue tick nakhona angitshelwa uye straight ngitshelwa umntanakhe uye ongitshelayo ngani ngefoni yakhe uriyo papa arutla urekela laptop wara why yena angangitsheli ngokwakhe so I was like yes it's fine ngaphuma kuye because every night time I find out ukuthi uyagula ngitshela step daughter sakhe ukuthi uriye papa uyagula yena wara so into ngimazi okay sharp if wena awukwazi ukutype ungitshela ukuthi okay uyagula nananani manje ukuposta kanjani uyakwazi ukuposta mara awukwazi ukutype ungitshela ukuthi okay uyagula kumele ngitshele step daughter sakho sesithi mama ngibuza ukuthi okay sharp wayangamtshelanga ukuthi uyagula uthi hey usaba ukuthi mina ngizokhala like ngakhalela ukuthi manje okay uyagula nanani wena ungangitsheli ukuthi ngwanaka akiyo sharp kuyagula wara so I was like it's fine mina nje kuye ngiphumile shem futhi ngeke ngizongisho next sengizolinda yena if yangikhulumisa or ini nje kodwa nje ngiphumile mina
And then how is the relationship between like yena no mamakho? Are they talking? Are they still talking or they don't talk at all?
No, not really. Like abasakhulumi ngaleyo ndlela le. Like it's like I don't think bayakhuluma because yabo I don't think bayakhuluma.
Okay nonyakuza. Awuthiyami ubalinto yokuthi mawuya kuma tournament yini udlala ibhola?
Yeah, ngisoccer play.
Soccer play? Like udlalela iphi team?
Bengidlala ku-SAB League.
Is it? Into yani le?
Currently nje last year November savala yabo. But lapho bese ngithi hayi ibhola mina ngiyaliyeka straight hayi. Lapho bese ngithi hayi I want nothing.
Why?
Obviously ibhola futhi mina honestly sometimes feel ngathi waste of time yabo. Because I've been playing years ngiliqale maybe ngina 5 ibhola.
Kana 5?
Ngaze ngaba negwegwe ngala ibhola.
So yabo
ibhola lenzani igwegwe.
So ibhola lenzani igwegwe.
Bengingana mina inyawo zami bezi-right zi-grand nje.
Yeah.
Yabo lona la ngenze ngaba negwegwe nje ibhola. Because of lona ngalidlala so many years ibhola ngizibona and vele bengizibona ukuthi nginja ngisho kukhala nabo prophets ukuthi hayi ntwana yami waliyeka la ngisazi uyinja ntwana yami uyafera. But eziminyaka ilokhu ihamba uyayibona ihamba iminyaka and yabo uyabona nje yakwenzakala next. Nawe obviously uyaphela umoya ezumuntu ukuthi hayi man yazini it's fine. Ngcono ubambi 9 to 5 job nawe like njengomuntu yabo. Ufocus ezintweni ezikunika imali ke ezinye. Yabo njengayi content creation ugcine so unaka yona modern ukuthi hayi yazini mina nginaka these things because mina benginokulova nase gymini for ukuthi ngishuthe nesami yabo ushayi content because bengazi ukuthi lento engiyenza nesami yona izosinika imali ibhola kuyafana ngizoya egymini yes ngidlala imatch ngiperform good that's all ngijulukile ngigijimisa isikhumba kuphela that's all
awakazi waba khona like cause manje awakazi mhlawumbe waba khona like ama achievements because ezinye izinto like umuntu ezimgqugquzelayo like those small achievements wathola ebholeni awakazi waba khona at all
maningi ngaba nawo maningi nama medal maningi endlini ngidlale so many tournaments nginayo imedal yeMaman Phiri medal yonke benginayo yini top goal scorer, midfield of the wonke nje benginawo lawo lezo zinto ezingigqugquzelayo.
Then the problem ibeva
Mina is imali kahle. Yabo imali kahle imali into inkinga kahle. Cause vele ibhola ngalidlala ngothando yes. But ezukhula obviously ngeke ugijimisane nesikhumbu ujuluka for free nje. Now bana lento ukuthi shimara kufuneka imali la honestly yabo and manje nami bese I think bese ngiba naleyo mentality ukuthi I can't be playing like every day nje every week ejimini every week for phela benginokucancela ama meetup naye ngejimini ngikhansela ini ama photo shoot ngejimini and lama photo shoot azosenzelana imali and ibhola lona lenzani alinamali instead uyaxekwa sinini udlala kahle yes sinini awudlali kahle that's all like iphelela lapho ushayina nje ekasi ukuthi le ntwana marina masimba then that's all ibhlungu phela lento udumile ekasi ukuthi hayi wena ublind ngebhola but awukhondawo awukakafiki na kumtsipe yabo so mina into evele yangiqeda umoya ukuthi yazi naye yes I'm young but sometimes lento le iya overwhelm yang stress sometimes that is why ngithi mina ngcono ngifocus entweni ezizonginika engazi ukuthi lezi zizonginika imali ngivula amanye ama channels maybe I'm not meant to be a soccer player maybe yabo maybe umdala kusinto engifunela yona yabo uthi ngize ngapha yabo so nje ngivele ngaphela umoya honestly but hayi ukuthi manje sengizoliyeka completely but then mina ibhola sengilithatha as into option kahle akusasi prioritize lona phambili angisalibeki phambili because walibeka phambili ngikhuluma namanye ama soccer player ama upcoming lizokulimaza liyahetha lona alizokuhetha ibhola walibeka phambili uzohetheka so many times walibeka phambili like kube yiyo into wena ubona uyiyo uzokhawatheka serious because thina most young players into esikhohla sibaningi la eSouth Africa abantu abadlala ibhola baningi sibaningi asikho isport eSouth Africa or around the world ne esinabantu ukudlula ibhola nje wonke ngisho intwana encane isakhula hayi ufuna kuba yisoccer player man so uyabona ezisibaningi kanje vele ngesiphumelele sonke yabo and nayo ibhola iyangelakhi as good as you are bathatha inkomo still it's about lucky nama connection uyabo fanele udize fanele yabo unfortunately mawuzofuna ukuhamba ngendlela yonke into hayi yabo so that's why ngithi mina is fine sengizobona nami ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungibekapi yabo that's all
ayikho mhlambe like intwana ekase bake bayithatha mhlambe okwabona ukuthi there's a weakness ekase okwathatha mhlambe wangenela mhlambe like abomtsipe foundation or these are like big opportunities which are meant for like upcoming soccer players
bakhona like futhi ama player ngidlale nawo bakhona bayabathatha umunye but most of them inkinga bayabuya because umunye bayamthatha adlale ilibhaka abuye omunye bamthatha adlalele in abuye futhi omunye adlale kumtsipe the next thing so umbone ekase as if like uzovakasha kanti sekabuyile uzodlala ekase yabo so I don't understand the reason yaleyo nto but I've seen ama player akhuphuka vele yabo nayo leyo nto vele bekuyi motivation on its own yabo but then ayishibhola nalo hayi man and ngapi short career vele
kanjani
sengishibhola short career because uyangena manje yakuthatha ikhosi sinini uba neni injury or whatever yabo mawuba neni injury thola ukuthi ithatha ama months phela mawuthatha ama months ne scheme siyahamba ngithi umsebenzi
uhleze ebench
yabo mawubuya lo muntu lona obekadlala thola ukuthi he's doing good sekumele phela manje ulwela ischeme again ugcina usadlala the next thing sebakuthengisa yabo nawe sophela umoya uyafadalala iyaphela kanjalo icareer or ingaphela ngokulimala nje kuphela ulimale bakutshela ukuthi hayi njaka hayi yes ungadlala ibhola but then ayini yakho angeke isalunga yabo chayili career phelile gone so that's why ngithi short career unfortunately ayifani nabo content creation like ungayenza uhleli endlini ugula wheelchair ungayenza you can still post your pics uhleli endlini upost your videos uzihleleli nje ungenzi next yabo
awulithanda ibhola my sister
anginankinga nayo
bomsupporta yini
like I was like bengamsupport yabo like just ladlalela khona bekukude and like yagcwala lapha yabo and nginamahloni mina manje mangifika endaweni egcwele wese ngihamba ngiyi1
yabo niyafana nizwana nabantu ne
yo hayi abantu yo hayi njaka yo Abanye mabakubona like ema-picture kuma video kuba ngathi wena ukho shy angithi vele lapho unabantu comfortable nabo yakhuluma but in person mangizihambela la estradini angisakazulwe umuntu ngishaye like to that extent ukuthi yo ngamane ngithathe long drive mangingabona kugcwele la ngamane ngithathe the longest way yokuye eKasi or nje yabo the way ishaye ngakhona
because lokho usuyahamba uzimuva yo chumi ngathi uye lona
futhi yazi
ini manje like awusazi ukuthi wenzeni nawe like yo
futhi ngcono mawuzolontuzane if like mawusase normal person yabona njengomuntu like abacavi stuff like that but masocaviwa la inkingi iba khona because yabona abanye sebakhomba so uyakhulunywa abanye bayeza yabona like abantu bayenza into ezicreepy like abantu abantu
endukadiwe wesiphatha
yabo ukadiwe mina ngisakwazi nokuhamba nosisi wami sekuthiwa ngiyajola or ngenzani umuntu ubona umuntu uhamba nosisi wakhe uyadlula uthi akekho ngafibi kafafethu lapho ngizihambela nosisi wami mina fanele ngenze njani ke manje like lezi angisakhona ukukhuluma na any girl yabo
nihlale eKaseli 1 or same hood
Kaseli 1 but then yena ulenya distance nyana yile
okay and then nina nje nihlangane kanjani nje
okay isimi ngiqale ngestory sami because mina ngikhumbula kwami story sami yabo because nawo ne story sakhe ukuthi yabo
okay
yeah because mina mangikhumbula kahle bese library nje nabangani bami yabo okay so umngane nami u1 beka busy nomngane wakhe yabo
okay
so umngane okay shap ahambe aphume yena library athi yena uyahamba basho school bag so by that time ngibe like yo abazothini kithi because obviously sihambe sonke mase ngibuya mina sengibuya namabheki yabo and besiborekile vele nalomunye bese bana cause bese bayi3 ngithi kulomunye asambe se12 mind you anyazi ne12 ukuthi kuphi yabo ngithi asambe so check ubani umngane wethu yabo sihambe masifika okay sibuze umngane wakhe lokho sibuze abantu ukuthi hey namazi umjito sona sokuthi kuphi yabo singamtholi kanti mina ngizobona ubani onkanyiso yabo okay naye bengamjwayelanga kangaka yabo ngithi hello right cause I think like angazi man ngishaya sometimes ngiyaphapha like angazi ngifike kuye ngithi hello right ngicela ukubuzisa like amazi umuntu osona so yabo so asikhombise yabo ngithi mina asiboni la usho khona cela usikhaphe yabo so bekangafuni ukusikhapha mara kugcine sekenzana asikhapha yabo so masifika lapha yasukuthi vele umngane nami sekahambile yabo so yena makasho okay ngizomyekela ichazele leso story yabo and then okay sharp sambe vele ehlukane naye kubo namnyekizi until ngelinye ilanga umngane wakhe angitext yabo vele that time nje bengigoya like through ezinye izinto so bengilela labo umngane nami so okay
lele kabo umngane wakho okay
lento kuyayidonsisa lento uyisummarize lento bangayishaya
mekela ichaza it's fine it's a podcast that's what podcast is about explaining
so umngane wakhe angitext vele hey ukuphi nana nabo ngifuna uba umngane wakhe umngane wami ngena phone so we communicate ngefoni yami yabo and I'm like ngiyakubo yabo so mangifika ngimtshela ukuthi hayi okay sha bathi 1 2 3 4 yabo so sihambe so masifika kanyiso nawo khona yabo so okay sharp ngicine sengihamba nayo nkanyiso
kanjani manje
because obviously bafike boyi2 and then nathi sibayi2 yabo so bona vele bajoyelana and they were like yabo
bayajola vele
I wouldn't say bajoyela like into yabo
be complicated
nje awazi ukuthi kenzakalani lapha yami so okay sharp bona sebayahamba vele sebabhizi le
sengisele 242
no like ayisho kanjalo yabo okay sengiqhubeka sengiyahamba nonkanyiso vele sesiyakhuluma nana so ngagcina sengikhala ke because ezingishilo ukuthi like bengigo through ezinye izinto yabo so
ukhala kunkanyiso second day umbona so yakhala kuye
it was like into khona benzeka like same time like yakubona uhlangana nomuntu like same time ngenzakala lonto leyo and like into khona like ibhlungu so obvious like yabo so bengawazi ukuzibamba yabo so angiduduze ke naye agcine sekangitshela like ngizinto zakubo ukuthi okay sharp naye kube ku 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 yabo sharp and then angazi usimele ngisifake ezinye izinto mara ke until ngi25 August la okay saqala saringa I think saqala saringa okay sakhuluma until angicela ukuthi okay sharp ucela ukungibona yabo and then nakhona benyolela yabo still besaqhubeka leyo ndaba leyo go yabo so bengiyolela komunye futhi omunye girl
omunye futhi
omunye futhi
okay
So okay ayenzeni sihlangane vele so angitshela ukuthi okay uyangithanda nana into ezinjalo nani. So yeah I think yeah sagcina sishila kanjalo.
And then hayibo mina sazi phela ugowiswa yini wena?
Angazi because izongikhalisa le ndaba leyo so ish.
Hayi lethi ngikuchazela. Yazi lo muntu uyichaza kabi lento yonke. Lento le kahle kahle thi ngisicela. Yazi kahle kahle sihlangane kanjani? Sihlangane ngebad timing. Yena she was going through a lot kubo bebelwa yabo. I think ubaba wakhe wazibulala on that day. Sihlangana mina naye. On that day like that's why ngithi sihlangane ngebad timing mina naye yabo. Sihlangane ngaleso sikhathi leso. Shothi mina bengine night match. Angithi ngitshela bengiso couple bengine night match. Yabo enekudala vele sasifuna ukuhlangana nabo vele yabo so mangine night match so kuzintwana yami vele ngitshela ukuthi emfethu kunomntana osolo uyamntana ngokuthandela yena yabo mangokuthandela yena so namhlanje siyababiza asinandaba ukuthi kusebusuku kunjani siyababiza yabo aba text vele ababize siqamba manga sithi hayi sila i6 yabo hayi nabo beze vele aze nomngane wakhe naye beze ayimabafika yabo
Aqhubeka.
Mabafika ngimbone nami ukuthi nangu lo mntwana ngimbone. Bafike kithi angithi vele nje ezibekasho bekunethuwe bese ijwayelene lapha. Uyithi izumacalami bese kajwayelene nalo mntana loyo. Yabo? Mebajwayelene kanje babe busy ngento zabo. Mina manje angithi angimazi lo muntu yabo angimjwayelanga. Yabo ngithule ngishaya ibhoma ngimkhulumisa naye kangikhulumisa yena ngikhulumisa eqala athi khambani wathula ngimtshela ukuthi hayi mfethu ngibhekela abantu laba ababhizi nani athi hayi otherwise usharp hayi sharp grand nani sihlukane ke kube ilento yama 2x2 ngihambe naye then yabona express sekangitshela ukuthi mfethu namhlanje kithi kusona sona so ndabona ubaba bami sona so akhali phambi kwami yabo manje obese nami ekhanda ngiyasho ukuthi lo mntana khana ngibona sekakhala phambi kwami sekayangikhalela yabo nami ezi out hayi ngimthulise ngimduduza ukuthi heart lakhe so kuzolunga yabo nami ngicine sengiexpressa ke nami sengikhuluma indaba zami ukuthi mfethu nami kusona so ubaba bami yabo sesiya expressa nje ngapha asikakajwayelani sesiyakhuluma yabo after lapho ke yabo seyiphelile set moment akasakhali sekathulile sengimduduzile yabo sesibambana ngezandla yabo nami ngiyabona ukuthi sesibambana ngezandla isho ukuthi yonke into yabo siyaflowa sesiyakhuluma the next thing yabo sekuyakhiswana yabo hayi nami ngiyabona ukuthi hayisho ukuthi ku-on yabo ngose kwaba namanye ama-out acisha sibamba inkunzi ke lapho khona on that day because bekusebusuku bekwabo 9 for sure lapho yabo parazange asibambe because bathe mabeza ngamtshela because mina ngibabonile vele ukuthi hayi laba noma kuthiwani laba bazosibamba inkunzi ngamthatha ngathi asambe yabo balokhu basibiza saze safika lela kugcwele khona abantu azange basibamba so yabo sihlangane ngelanga elibi mina naye yabo shuthi lela langa belilibi but belilihle
turn out to be a good day
kahle yabo
yeah
so sihlangane kanjalo yabona ngalelo langa then the following day la ke sengimtshela nami ukuthi phela mfethu yabo kahle honestly ngiyakuncanya nani because nami ngibonile mani chemistry ukuthi hayi la nalomntana siyaklika yabona sekashare inkinga zakhe like nje unokubona umuntu ngathi somjwayele like so yamthanda nje ngoba nalapha ngibuyele endlini noma macala ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi baba lo mntana ngiyamthanda hayi lo mntana lo ngiyamthanda kuzomela wenza iplan ukuthi abuye futhi lo mntana yabo kuzomela wenza iplan ukuthi kusasa ngihlangane naye nami ngiyasho ukuthi anginandaba ukuthi kwenzakalani kusasa lo mntana kumele ngihlangane naye nangempela sahlangana naye ngamtshela ke ukuthi phela mfethu yabo ngiyakuncanya kusona so yabo phrase ukuthi at least ungayi chance wara ngiyazi ukuthi maybe 2 days isihlangana maybe awuthimbi out wara so nami phrase ungayi chance ngiyakuncanya yabo nani yabo then ke aqala ngavumi vele yabo
okay
angavumi aloku angithi uyabazi fanele akugayi hard time nyana yabo naye until abone ukuthi hayi le ngathi vele iyangifrustana yabo then ke yaqala kanjalo ukuthandana kwami naye saqala sathandana
after isikhathi singakanani mhlawumbe loku yakutrialisa nje
maybe 4 days or 3 because besiloko sikhuluma efonini yabo sikhuluma nje but yabo nami ngibe obviously ngi-out ngiyazama ngisenda la ama-paragraph asweet ngiyazama ngiyahlohla ngiyabo naye azagcina avuma abona ukuthi hayi le iyangincanya le yahlahla yabo then ke kwaba nala ukuthi mina ngiplane i-photoshoot nomunye ugeli manje mangiplane i-photoshoot ngiyamtshela ukuthi mfethu njengoba uplane i-photoshoot kanje mina kumele ngihlangane nomuntu wami today so manje soyenza njani ngikhansela i-meetup yami or ngikhansela le photoshoot athi hayi woza naye once yabo hayi okay nami ngiyamthatha singaza naye vele kwaba kushootha first pick yami naye ke kwaba yileyo yabo ngashutha naye ke nami sashutha hayi vele abamahle ama picture yabo nami ngayihlohla ke nami kuma Facebook nani because vele bengithi hayi ngcine kudala nokuchange iprofile awuthi ngihlohla iprofile yabona bomacala nabo ngithi uyabazi kanjani ufuna ukufaka intombazana ku profile ayi wena out yami nijole 3 days nisanje yabo into ezinjalo but mina obvious nami angithi ngiyamthanda mina ngimthandile ngiyabatshela noma ukuthi ayi bafethi ngiyamthanda lo muntu ngiyamfaka mina ku profile ngiyamthanda lo muntu ayikho into engizoyenza ngiyamhlohla vele abantu basithanda ke yabona abantu basithanda ngishabo 1.4k yabo hayi nami ngiyabona ukuthi abantu bayasithanda mosla yabo sebayasiposta cute couple sebayapost ipicture yami naye hayi nami ngiyabona ukuthi hayi abantu bayasincanya la yabo sahlangana again futhi masihlangana again sahlangana nomunye umngane wakhe beshutha futhi hayi ngabona ukuthi hayi atshela ukuthi hayi cela nathi nisifake nishuthi kwaba ama second pick nawo ngawahlohla basithanda abantu still hayi ngabona lapho ukuthi hayi kahle kahle abantu bayasifrostana ya kwaqala lapho ke ukushutha naye but lapho bengisamfaka kuma profile pic phela yabo yeah ngabona lapho uthi abantu bayasithanda mos qala ukushaya ukushutha naye every time sengishutha naye sesiyahamba siphuma ama dates sengiya naye ema swimming ngapha ngisebenza nginamali yabo naye uyabeke yokhera nyana zami naye ngihola ne350 nami ngithatha i350 nginika uma already ishare yakhe ngalesele ngiyamtshela ukuthi hey mfethu wenze imalini ngiyokhera naye ayilethe yakhe siyahlanganisa siyaphuma siyavaya yabo siyaphuma sahambe cause naye first birthday yami uye wangikhipha ngemali yakhe yokukhera wangikhipha tsaya sambi awuthi yami yabo
basakhona abogela abagrenso
yabo wangikhipha awuthi yami hey ngabona lapho nami ukuthi hayi la hayi iserious le ndaba lo muntu yabo nami ngabona lapho ukuthi kahle kahle nami mele ngimenaphe nami ngimbonisa uthando nami yabo cause vele nami bengimncanya vele ke yabona saloku siphuma ke ama out vele singanamali ama iPhone awekho siyayiqasha sinini siyakhuluma ne out emfethu ngine2 clip angiboleka iPhone yakho ngivaye nesami sizoyibuyisa ba complain basinike sishuthe sibuye like besiqasha nje ama iPhone sinini simele sincinge ngenye out yami siyakufreeze ushoot yabo simele sincinge ama out into ezinjalo yabo
so wena uqale ngayo ke
ngenzeni
mawuqala nje uqale
ukujola hayi angiqalanga ngayo ukujola but ukushutha into ezinjalo ngiqale ngayo ukujola nalabo abanye bengijola but bengeke ekhanda indaba zokushutha nabo hayi bengeke ekhanda yena nje angazi yini le yavele yabo that is why
because ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi yini ehlukile kuye kunalabo abanye ogela ubuthandana naye
sengisho like ichemistry mfethu le feeling kunale feeling oyifilayo ukuthi no man lona hayi
organic
noma bathi nginjani lo muntu ngilona siyamatcha like uyayifeel ukuthi lo muntu hayi man yabo amagazi wena like uvela ufile nje ukuthi hayi lona no she's the one na kanjani noma kungenzakalani and izinto zivele ziziflowele because mina na izinto kimi na zibe fast like yabo izinto zibe fast nje beziziflowela nje ama step bolandelana noma abantu bathi hayi nina niyajaha nanani but akusiyithi sometimes ziyazenzakalela lezi zinto zivele zibe fast ziyazenzakalela so bekunjalo
so uyavuma wena my sister chemistry vele bekuyinto ekhona from day one
beyikhona because obviously bengingitshela umuntu engamazi like indaba zami zonke like zonke ngize ngikhale
how did it happen vele ukuthi uvente out kuye
like I don't know vele angazi ukuthi like indaba eqale because ngizibona nami sengikhuluma like ukuthi unjena kanjena which is it was something engazi like ngayitshela ngisho ama best friend wami or abangani bami like abanye abayazi nokuyazi le ndaba mara ngazi like ukutshela someone like engakazi ngahlangana naye ukuthi hey ukanjena kasona so yeah
and then Autam lesikhathi uqala umposter like already ku social media were you big?
No, I wasn't big.
Serious?
Ngisasephansi kabi lapho. I never bengakacabangi nokuthi maybe nje ngafika na 100k. Bengakaziboni nje ngileyo nto mina bengipha maybe benginabo how many followers 6 point something ne. Boma 5.4k nje. Yeah, bengisase nje random nje yabo.
So it's not like ukuthandela ifame or whatever.
Usuka nami fair vele ngisaziphandela ngisa like nje yangithola ngakabi lento eyiyo manje ngisaziphandela sangakabi nje yabo sazikhipha that's why ngithi besazikhipha nge350 350 sihlanganise sihlale mina nice calculate ukuthi okay lena kuzoba MACD ayiduri 120 lena kuzoba imali ye-tax 15 rand senza so yabo siyaplana nje kahle ukuthi besiwenza ngemali encane nje naye angamind naye angakaze angicele namali or anything nje yabo angenzela nje izinto yabo plus mina naye I think besijola nesidala cause naye sinini beka nokubhala ama love letter yabo but nami ekhanda ngiyasho ukuthi hayi lona wayengathi nje yabo mara nami ngiyasho ukuthi hayi mara mfethi romantic lento yabo nami ngibhala love letter nami ngidecorate ngifake whatever ngiyenze nami ayijabulele la yabo sinina create incwadi yabona create incwadi enezithombe zethu ama memories wethu na ukuthi sihlangane kanjani create le incwadi ngisasenayo namanje every time mangilala ngiyibeka phansi komqamelo ikhona namanje emqamelweni wami ezisikhuluma nje
ay my sister ukukhulumela amantombazana wena yini le owenza ngayo ukuthi you can spend for a man because girls don't do that. There's this stereotype ukuthi a guy must spend. You see, a guy must. But when you took that away and focus ukuthi nami if I have money, because like you would have just taken your money if because you wouldn't have never knew ukuthi like you have money. You see, so what led to ukuthi or how did it get to that extent to be like now I feel like I can spend money on this guy? And was it like your first time spending on the guy? My previous guys what they say now, did you ever spend money for them? Like is it
No, like angikhumbuli because I think every time behlezi hlukana like ngeValentine ngihlezi ngajoli if ngama birthday yabo hlukana before like bazo birthday yabo so angaze like ngathi ngithengela umuntu gifts or ngikhipha imali yami ukuthi ngiyenze ithombe or whatsoever and stuff and I feel like ngendaba yemali like mina I feel like bangikhulise kahle because even noma mama uyasho ukuthi like mina bengamceli next we like ukuthi ngifuna ini mina manginemali nginokubeka imali ngizongikhohlana nokuthi okay sharp like nginemali ngize ngibone ukuthi kanti benginamali so ngasho ukuthi like umuntu angincanyisisi ngalondlela le imali as long as nginalento le like kunayo yonke into engidingayo ngeke ngithi like manje sengifuna imali nanento ezinjalo yabo so bengamind like ukuspenda kuyo because bengazi ukuthi okay sharp naye uzospenda kimi yabo so bengazi ukuthi okay sharp naye obvious ngililanga naye uzospenda kimi so obvious mele ngimsize kube 50-50 if like or even if ngasi 50-50 mara if like maybe unaleyo 20 rand maybe like mina ngine 10 rand okay sharp sayihlanganisa sibone ukuthi senzani ngayo yabo ngabe lento leyo ukuthi okay sharp mele namosi wena uguy waye wena ungayenzi ini yabo because ntana abantu akasebenzi so mina ngisayithathe iphi imali yabo so I feel like if like okay if uyazi usanda imali funa like umuntu wazi ukuthi vele nayo udlalela ngabo girl like vele naye akanandaba because why uzoya kumntana abantu wazi kahle ukuthi okay shamntana abantu akana mali and then usuyam pressurize ukuthi yazi angina ini usumntana abantu ayithathe iphi naye angasebenzi because naye uyazifundela ufana nawe yona somtshela ukuthi mos wena ungithengeli ini mos awenzi ini because niyafana nobabili namali so why manje mele pressurize nomunye umntana so mina ngimind shame like I feel like into encanyayo like ungaspend imali kuyo because angeke ufile nanokuthi okay imali yakhona like iwestekile into ezinjalo
awukhalela imali yamazipho
angafanga nafa yabo angifanga next angisumuntu like uthi manje ngifuna imali yamazipho or ina plus ngifuna nokuyiqhina so ukuthi ngalokho ngimhlupha ngithi ngifuna nakhona nje like I don't think like ukuthi ngakhalela kuyo like ngendaba yenzipho impahla because ngisesonomzali so why kumele ngikhalele kuyo because now usazama ukuyiphantela so obvious ngizo if ngifuna inzipho anything like ngizotshela mama ngifuna ini yabo so
when out here I'm like ugirl azakuspendela imali awukho surprised because as a majita mfethu obvious ukuthi hayi bo lo mntana wenzani no wenzani lo mntana no
obvious nami ngisurprise nami ngiyathuka phela ukuthi hayi man kwenzakalani la lo mntwana uyabo into ezinjalo kwenzakalani yabo why lo mntana ezongigaya imali or into ezinjalo yabo but obvious nami ngiba nale mentality ukuthi hayi maybe uyangincanya yabo so nami ngiba pressurized ukuthi nami uzomela ngenze something for yena yabo nami ke bese ngiyayenza ngiyibuyisela if ngiyibuyisela times 10 yena lento ayenzayo yabo so nje hayi yes ukuba surprised ngiyaba surprised ukuthi hey man yabo because abo girl uyabona manje they date for hunger they date for money for ama assets ukuthi umuntu uyini kabani or status yabo so nami obviously I was wondering ukuthi bana so vele like nje uyanginika nje whatever yabo so nami ke bese ngiyibuyisela times 10 kuwe sengasa mind nje at all yabo because I would spend my last money kuye and then nje bekungabi na next bengijabula nje kabi it's like yabona money kumali umzali imali it's like that ke because kunamanye amajita makayispend emntwini wakhe like ufila ngathi uyiluzile because ufila ngathi akayideserve lo mina manje wami ngifila ngathi uyayideserve imali that's why ngingamind at all yabo that's why ke mina personally I choose my girlfriend over friends mina personally
is it
yeah mina uzaqala mina nasebanganini bami nabo bayazi nabo because bese mina kunabangani bami abanye angisazwani nabo because of that
serious
yeah because masofuna ukuziqhathanisa nesami there's no way mina bazongijaja bathi hey wenzani kanjani wena uyislima intombazana izokujikela into but unfortunately mina she comes first mina personally I choose my girlfriend over bangani mina personally because umngani ngeke ngidle kubo but yesami mina mangana next uyakwazi ukungcingisa athi mfethu nasi isinkwa na ijuice izwakala kusona so azami yabona nayaza but amajita mfethu hayi amajita ngeke amajita amajita nawe uyawaza njani if ukusizile nakhona izoza ngeinkulumo still yabo izoza neinkulumo ukuthi mara ugazi wenzani yabo but esamnyazi ukuthi there's no way futhi uyajabula mangimfreeze because beka nokukwatela for ukuthi ngimcela izinto mina kwate akwati izisiluyise leyo nto for ukuthi ngimcela izinto so nje hayi mina esamayi qala uzaqala kimi because mina masezingikhalela kahle uyo khona honestly yabo
Dena ngitshela ngiqale nini ukujola
2023
it's been 3 years now
yeah this year
heading to 3 years ane and like ijeni ngayi describe as ijeni njani because khona umunye oba like yo they've dated for 3 years like ngayi like was it smooth like been ama consequences there and there like
3 months
yabo abanye bahlulwa yi3 months
3 months nje kunzima
because bayakubuza vele ukuthi hayi kani uhlala kanjani nomuntu isikhathi esingaka in because mina nje nge2 months ngibe sengibhorekile
ayinzima le Jane this Jane is not easy yo ayinzima le Jane that is why ngithi sometime i-commitment vele inzima because mele understand ukuthi there won't be good days phela
yeah
fanele understand kuzoba nama boring days sad days hateful days kunalama days ingeni understandane khona ukuthi yabona na uzoyitshela ukuthi kahle kahle hayi ngathi izophela la yabona kunama days anjalo like kuba nzima so mina naye obviously siyayazi into esifunayo and is understanding ukuthi vele sizolo ama fighters azoba khona vele kuzobhora sininini doesn't mean mele ngiyofuna omunye or whatever yabona vele sizolwa vele kuzoxabanwa singama couple siyabona silungisa kanjani nani kuzoliwa kuzoba nani kuzoba nomuntu ongcono yabo nami kunomuntu ongcono kunami ozoza kuye naye same thing just lento kuya ngokuthi wena ufunani mase ukhethile wathatha le flower lelo wathi hayi nali flower mina ngifuna ukulikhulisa nali flower engilithandayo angeke usakwazi ukubuyela kulawa amanye even if ngaba ngcono kulawa thatha leli ublumise lona ngoba still kuzoba nama season angithi kuyanetha kuyabanda kuyashisa wena mela mase kushisa liyabluma ngithi flower lakho it's like that mfethu understand nje ukuthi kuzobhora understand kunomuntu ongcono kunowakho it's about wena ufunani nje yabona yeah injalo nje so nami bese mina bengizazi ukuthi hayi vele nasi sami yeah nasi sami sengikhethile manje nasi sami kahle kahle yeah uyu umuntu engibona ifuture naye uyu umuntu engibona umama wabantwana bami kuye yes ungangijaja hayi mara umncane for ukuthi ungabona lezo zinto wara but leyo nto yakusave into eningi if you understand yakusave into eningi so many things izokusave because vele amajiteni uzoba ngathi uyisinayo ukuthi hayi mara le out lena yabona amabaringa awupalisa ngemshayile nombali naye ngemshayile yabona uba ngathi nawe uyisinayo or but that's why ngithi kuya ngokuthi wena ufunani wena yabo
wena bona sisithombe somuntu esifazana umfunayo
mina isithombe
yeah like emqondweni wakho nje ngifuna umuntu onje
yeah benginaso and uyi exactly uyi exactly because unawo la unama characteristic yes naye bekanama red flag yabo umuntu phela ngeke abe perfect but siyawalungisa ukuthi hayi mkami mfethu into eso angifrustani into eso yabo because ama red flag wakhe ilawa anormal akusila ama red flag obonayo ukuthi le izongikhosta later on hayi le izongikhawathi lawa wakhe la ukuthi maybe uvuke eqala yena umele mina ukuthi ngithi good morning yabo ngiyamtshela ukuthi no mkami where izolo uthe good night where last text we yakho eksalayo uma uvuke eqala ithi good morning where usend paragraph ngangayiphenduli wena if uvuke eqala uwo kumele uthi good morning until azayifunde leyo nto yaba smooth yalunga leyo red flag nayo uyangitshela amanye ama red flag ukuthi emfethu wena awufuni ukumamela ama opinion wabantu ne pride yabo because mina ngine pride vele yabo pride pride yami too much yabo and manje ingiluzisa ezinye izinto ipride yabona cause naye bengamluza if bengayichange ipride so nami ngiyakwazi ukuzehlisa out ukuthi hayazini noma ngingaba nalento ukuthi haya ngimncingi nani but imeli yami at the end of the day imeli ngilungise esami lesi so nami ngiyayehlisa ngithi hayi ngehlisa ipride tshela mkami ngiyaxolisa ngento so ngiyazi ngonile angeke iphindi yenzeke ngiyathembisa uyazi mos ngiyakufrostana nani ilunga indaba iphelile ipride siyalungisa because mina bengine pride mina bengincamela ukuthi ngcono kungakhulunyiswana wanconi phela mina benginjalo mina and manje angiboni ukuthi iyangikawatha mina ngiba nale mina ngifeed pride more than abantu abangincanyayo yabo and manje ngizoluza umuntu engiphinde ngimthole elifini
and izo lezi zinto lezi ejwayele ukuqhatha abantu noma lezi zinto za ku WhatsApp ukuthi umuntu athi online kodwa ungikhulumisi ukhuluma nobani I problem enkulu leyo
so grow ku social media like what made you to gain such numbers because uthema uhlangana naye which was 2023 but now you've grown to an extent that you are over 200 and something followers on Facebook what actually the content level you post is it like love content like what was going on how did you rose like to into fame or being popular like us
yeah I love content mini content yami vele ngithema ngiqala ukushutha naye ngithi vele based on love content angizange ayichange bese kuyiyo nje one way yabo bese kuyiyo but that is why ngithi bengimposta kuma profile kuphela profile picture yes ngaqala ke ukuposta picture straight yabona ngaqala ngaposta yena ke yabo ngaposta nje ngavele ngathi pretty talented actress ne ngavele ngaposta nje yena ngayibona seyishabo ma 32000 yabo and mina bengiqala ukufika lapho nami phela nami ngizohlanya yo ha 3.9k kanjani yabona into ezinjalo sengiyahlanya yabona naye nyam screenshotela nyambonisa ukuthi ebheka mkami ngifike ku 10k kanzona but bengakaholi lapho yabo ngiyambonisa ukuthi phela bheka mkami ngifike ku 10k nani yabona nami seyangihlanyisa yabo hayi ngipost kanjalo yabona ngipost enye post nayo ihambe 16k maybe yabo ngaqala ukubona lapho ukuthi okay it's fine yabona ngipost vele sininini uba down and out like we are relax into ezinjalo ngaposta then belokhu ikhula ke abantu sebayasincanya seyiqala yakhula mina naye sesihamba ama trip sesiyabo sesiphuma ama dates ama picture wethu mahle yabo sebayashare abanye mara this couple whatever this yabona sebasincanya vele nami bese ngibona ama pic wami ukuthi hayi ayablooma yabo aba mahle naye aloka post but yena bekungasi umuntu opostayo yena nje bekungasi content creator yena bekuumuntu nje ukuthi yabo mina manje ngamfaka kulento parent naleyo nto beyinokusilwisa size sifune nokuhlukana ngayo leyo nto ngimsilwela nje for ukuthi ngithi maka post because mina bengimforced ukuthi mfethu post mfethu yenza so yabo bengimnika nama tips ukukhula naye ukuthi yabo enza so mfethu yenza so silwe yabo silwela ukuthi akaposta ngimbuze mfethu wawungapostanga today hayi wara ngimtshela ukuthi hayi wena uyatswafa uyivila ngeke sifike la sifuna ukuya khona if wena uzoqhubeka so uyivila nanani silwe sifune nokuhlukana naye axolisa ukuthi hayi sorry ngiya understand uzama ukungiphusha until naye she got used to it ke yabo bese kaziflowela ke until naye ke waqala ukuhola naye yabo asekayangibonga ukuthi ya ngiyabonga bongiphusha shem mina yazi iqaleni bengi-understand nani yabona naye sekakwazi sekanemali sekakwazi ukubeka isinkwa naye emncane engaka etafuleni noma amakhahla ajabula ukuthi mntanami so ungilethela labo 4000 so ukwazi uza ne-1.5 ezinye yabona njengari impahla uzithengele imali yakhe uziqinisile imali yakhe yabo so nomzali uyajabula uyakhuthala ukuthi hayi yabona emncane kangaka sekayazenzela izinto nani yabo angifuni nokuthi it's because of me angeke ngisho nje le but
ngayisho
isikhathi esiningi abazali noma ifamily ayizwisisa indaba yokuposta ku social media nibe more lapha ku social media kakhulu banokuyicriticize kakhulu nina nikaze nibhekane nalokho
mara like
good to say we are trend
mina mama mina she's always been supportive mina hawo mama usupportive akaza akhulume anything mina mama uyayibona izinto azibona abone namakhono akaza akhulume anything like uvela athule ngathi akwenzakala next nje yabo even ngiposta kuma status uyathulela nje sekuzoba yilabo nalabo bomalume bami hawo mshana ngiyabona lapha kuso mama nje uyathula nje yena that's why ngithi supportive lo muntu yabo futhi manje futhi njengoba manje supportive kakhulu phela vele abantu ama black parents bakusupport abasebabona imali sometimes but mina umama she's always been supportive akaze angena indaba zama social media yami ukuthi ngiposteni kanjani akaze ngene nje lezo indaba yena uyayibona aphume ngathi akwenzakala nga next angangikhulumisi nangayo nje
kuye my sister kunjani
like mama kanankinga because obviously like uyamazi and stuff so yazi nanokuthi okay senza imali nanana so like akazaba nenkinga ukuthi mara at first of all ngamblocker mina I was like as in ngamblocker yeah I was like ngamblocker most time because young for like uyafika somewhere wena sekubona uyajola lapha inini manje kwenzela kufile awkward and stuff yabo so that's why ngifile ngithi hayi ngiyabablocker mina mara after like I find out like okay waba nenkinga ukuthi okay sharp ngiyajola nani but then like after lapha akazange abe nenkinga or rasho anything
and wangithanda because yena naye ngithi wabona kuma social media wangitext yabo nami ngashaya ibhomu ngathi hayi ngini into engizoyikhuluma nomama wakhe ngashaya ibhomu washo ukuthi Ntanyiso mntanami yimi uma kasibongile ngibonile angazi utheni
I think there's a picture
uthe sengizwile ngalento yenu ngathi uthe sengizwile ngalento yenu nami ngaqala ukuphendula ma unjani manje yaxolisa ukuthi uthole ngalendlela bekungasinhloso yethu nani athi hayi khulileka mfanami ngiyabona uzimisele ngomntanami ngiyazibona nezithombe zenu nani yabo nami sengiqala ukukhama down ukuthi hayi because yabona naye phela uyongitshela lathi uzokutext umama makakutext amblock yabo nami ngithi hayi mara wathi ngimblock wathi nje futhi makathi sihlukane mblock
ngiyisa
ngathi hayi nami ngizoyenza njalo ngizomshaya ngeblockment manje ngiyabona makatext oqala ngathi mize watexta futhi ngaqala ukumphendula ke ngathi hayi ngiyaxolisa mama zokuthi uthole ngalendlela siyaxolisa nami bekungasiyama intentions wami ukuthi sowubona izithombe siseculator or whatever yabo ngithi vele phela siba viral yabayibona KZN ifamily yakhe seyasithumela ukuthi bheka phela usibongile yabo
batsho nike nahlukana before
mara angeke ukuthi ukuhlukana like ukuhlukana ama temporary breakup
ubani osuke isusile
get depend ukuthi ubani sometimes uye sometimes yimi mara nakhona angeke like kuze kuphela iviki or even 5 days nje
sekaze yaphela
serious
ayingeke yabona maseyiba lapha irelationship yakho unfortunately say wrong unfortunately yabo say wrong fanele ni fixe among those days ingapheli 3 days manje anisakhuluma at all there's no way mina iyaphela ilanga maybe 1 day nyana LS2 maybe later siyakhuluma right yabo ayikazi ithi idlula iviki abanye cause ngiyabona abanye amakhapula uzomunya athi mina sengina 2 months umuntu wami ngamkhulumisi phela sekuyi break up leyo nto iphelile lapho so nje once yadlula iviki no mina ayikazi idlulele lapho ngeke phela mase ngathi ne day inzima phela iba nzima ne day uyayifila na ukuthi hayi angikhulumanga nesamna uyazi ukuthi khona into eshodayo emzimbeni uyazi ukuthi hayi man no kunento yabo but now uyazitshela ukuthi hayi uyahlanya uzongitexta kuqala
then i-account yakhe mina ngazi ngiyibona and I've just heard good night she's making money how many followers and deep account yakhe siyazi account yakho
ikhona I think manje ngina 80 something thousand
80 something thousand
yeah
please search it siyibona la ku Facebook okay I've never seen your account uyibhala ngobani
ngoriya bethu
vele uthi mamba sizovela
noma simamba siyavela
so Facebook vele unemali eningi
YouTube
enemali eningi
Facebook inemali Facebook ngiyokutshela manga nayo iyadlisa nayo cause impilo yakhe ngayichange nayo
ingayichange ne
cause mina nami yami ichange nyana bengengqoki Nike every week if it wasn't for Facebook
I say
so uyakhona nokubheja
I've never seen your account manje ma wayibhale Rehabethu because angithi there was a time ibhale Mambatha noma nama isabhaliwe
ubhaliwe Mambatha mara sayidi
but obviously eqale mbeka ibhale Mambatha esigama
okay then what happened kuze ayishintshe ke njengoba ingasabhalwa ngoMambatha esigama
like besixabene and then like ngakwata so ngashintsha nickname because bese yabaza abantu siyena bakushiye nickname wara base sebamshiye nickname usale nayo so yeah mara ngifuna ukuyibisela because abanye abantu like mabangisearch like abasangitholi like sebangijwayele ngalo ukuthi like yabo
ubizwa nangalo
liyahlala ne like igama oligayo ugeda uthi hayi umabani liyahlala straight like let's stay
ngegama lakhe na uyazi noma ahlangana nama-fan
angibiza ngomambatha like abangibizi ngegama lami
serious
even nasesikoleni basimambatha abanye
and yabo kusho ukuthi uzoba nenkinga mase kune break up whatever yabo
yeah
cause le gama leli lakhe abasalifrostani seka umambatha one way
okay and then into engifuna ukuyazi how old are you guys still schooling futhi
nah mina ngiqede last year
okay
yeah hey man sorry last of last year okay
mina ngiyenza matric
can you yenza matric okay and then as abantu like because ngibone khona esinye isithombe sakhe ngisibonile bis over 100k like I'm like hey madoda hey over 100k likes like how do you protect like yourself and your woman from social media bashing because like there are a lot of bashing maybe that you might get also from social media how do you like protect umuntu wakho from those kind of things
like mara honestly yabona okay sisiqale ngale ndaba yama comment
okay
yabona ama comment nani lawa bad mina bawangihetha vele mina nje bawona ukungihetha ngibone nami ukuthi
yeah
lento esho ile out ingithintile lento yabo ngize ngifreze nama advice kuba mama mori kumamzo yabo cause kunalo mamzo bengispana naye bengicela kuyi advice ukuthi hey mamzo phela kuso yabo ene manje into eso inglimazile ngiqede umoya angitshela ukuthi hayi wena uyahlanya angeke nini yabo asende nama video for ukungimotivate nani ukuthi mfethu fanele kube so yabo until nami ngaze ngalena ukuthi shothi social media fanele uqine yabo fanele ube mentally trained nenhliziyo uyayikhipha
serious
hawu uyayikhipha if ufuna into right keep inhliziyo because honestly yabona if weak ungazibulala nokuzibulala futhi ngenxa yama comment yabona because even if uthola ukuthi okay for instance mina ngishaya content maybe ngisidudla so ngiyashutha iba viral hayi wonke umuntu uzocomment into engcala wonke umuntu uzocommenta amanye bazoba nembono ukuthi hayi mara why usidudla kaye wara yabona ugcine so uzibona ngathi nawe yabo so ugcine so ufuna ucabanga soba nama suicidal thought so wena if uslemi khohlwa ile yonto ukuthi abantu bathini wena nje ngithi aim yakho uyayazi naki aim yakho abantu vele bazokhuluma bazoba ngisho ungapost uma ugogo wakhafile oshonile ugogo umpost ukuthi ugogo ushonile kuzoba nomunye ozokhomenta something edize ukuthi hey ugogo waya ngavuke or ugogo nenza yabona like abantu nje noma ungapost into enhle kanjani ayiswe kuzoba nabantu abakhuluma into ebad still so nami lento engilene kuyi ukuthi hayi there's no way ukuthi ungangabi nama hater or ube nama comment bad or yabo cause naye bese wamthinta ama comment azagcina delete nama comment section ayivale ngimtshela ukuthi mfethu angeke udelete comment section ngenxa yabantu bayeka abantu bakhulume bayenzeni because naye bese ngimbona ukuthi ayiyamthinta lento yabo seyam affect yabo ngimtshele naye agcina abe mentally trained nenhliziyo sekayikhipha noma bathini manje hayi ayisamethi nokumhetha yabo nami nje ayisangihethi nokungihetha because iaim thina siyayazi aim yethu ukuthi nayi aim yethu vele kumele bakhulume because mase bakhuluma vele that means something is happening babangakhuluma kwenzakala next ngeke sikhonkothe izinja ngezikhonkothe imoto engahambi sikhonkotha le hambayo yabo because iyahamba and the more phezulu the more zoba namo haters vele because uphezulu so nami into engiunderstandile ukuthi kuso so naye ngamtshela ukuthi hayi mngami ongaloku unaka ama negative if umuntu ukhuluma into eso imiyeke it's fine naka because manje mawuzonaka le negative comment what about laba abakhuluma into ezinhle should bona ungasanaka laba abakhuluma into ezinhle laba bayeke it's fine yabo so mina bengimprotecta ngokum advice ukuthi mfethu ungabanaka abantu yenza into yenzayo ungacimi ne comment section bayeke ba comment whatever bayicommentayo kuhlekwe kwenziweni kusharwe even if umuntu ushare into yakho ukhuluma into ebhlungu miyeke ucomment no comment miyeke it's fine
okay and then both of your families they know that you guys are dating ane how is the support like now, and how was it at first, like mabeqala ukuthola ukuthi ayibo nawa la bayajola, and how has it changed, and yini mhlambe lidele ukuthi easy changes figure to maybe now it's maybe the support now like say strong. How did it get to that? What are the things that mhlambe abazibonile baba like no, but I think we need to support this because nabona ukuthi abantwana really bayathandana?
For mina kuyafana from kwasaqaleni because mama wakwata boma maybe one day lapho and then waba grand, so since even as we like grand
right
akaze yakwaba nento ukuthi maybe like uke wangikwatela, maybe like sekathi hey angisakufuni njengomntana, maybe like sekuphela isikhathi singasakhuluma or like asenayo ibond like since nje kufana.
Yeah, I mean that is being she already like a billing frustrar because lingitshelile nasefonini ukuthi hayi ngiyakubona umfana like yabo right nani nginifisela okuhle nisiphatheni kahle nani yabo, then already lami ila ke iba tricky khona already lami because already lami mina sometimes ngibuye ngam understand nami because yena akaza akhulume nge-relationship yami, asikaze sakhuluma nge-relationship yami like lo muntu angazi ukuthi like akanaki ngisho ngimpostile status akanaka ka react like nje uma already wami hayi mina ngazi shem serious
kanti ufuna react ufuna press lo
uma already wami serious like nje bengimbona nje uma already nje uyabheka uyazibhekela nje browse abheke abone okay bayajola nje like yabo bari support yena yakhe bengiyithola because yena akama beka ngamind yena the only thing abeka imind ayile ndaba yokuthi azi la kwami lapha kwami yabo because angithi umama lo muntu wamasiko like ufuna yonke into ilandelwe ngohlelo like yabo akanandaba ukuthi sesiphila ku generation yena ufuna yonke into ihambe ngohlelo, kumele ngimkhiphele, kumele yonke into yabo ngimkhiphele into ezinjalo like akafuni like ufuna yonke into ilandelwe ngokomthetho nangokosiko.
Yeah, but right izinto vele kumele ihambe kanjalo,
but sometime angene kuamahlale sixoxe umndeni nani but yena umama wami leyo nto ngathi angifila ngathi akayifuni nayo still yabo. But yena vele ukamyeka ukuthi alale because lapha ngicelebrate i21st yami ukamyeka ukuthi okay angalala nani yabo into ezinjalo it's fine, but yena into angayifuni ukuthi yabo sihlale naye sengiyamfaka endlini bengekho into ezinjalo akayifuni leyo yabo because ufuna ukuthi kulandelwe izinto ngendlela ngimkhiphele nani then lapho ke we good to go.
And ngibona isithombe recently lespress trend bekumama kabani lo benaye beniguphi
Kuluma phela nawe
mama wakho bekumama yakhe besikubo yeah
wow, and it's a trendy la nice
trendile lesiya yo ayisitrendile sasithombe vele bengazi mina ngisiposte ngazi vele ukuthi ha sizohamba vele yabo since vele sishutheni umama wami naye yabona bengazi nje ukuthi hayi this one yabo nomama wami naye wa understand ukuthi hayi mara umntana mi content creator uzoyenza imali ngathi so why not bayenza la, that's why ngithi supportive yena.
And then i-relationship yenu like i-blow up enini to ukuthi abantu bayazi ukuthi okay these two are dating, like i-blow up like that ukuthi abantu abaningi bayazi ukuthi like najona.
Angazi nokwazi
honestly last year yeah most of the time last year
last year 2024,
but mina okay ngeside lami ni blow up kakhulu last year lapho ke bese idumile like nje noma kubalwa ama Facebook couples siyabalwa nathi noma kubalwa in like nje bese idumile saziwe ikasi lonke ukuthi okay these two are dating yabo sesaziwa sesibizwa nakumanye ama podcast yabo sebafuna ukwazi ngathi yabona ezinjalo yeah, so kakhulu hayi blow up last year kakhulu yabo ukuthi hayi vele sesidumile manje seyidumile le relationship yabo seyanconywa nama big creators yabo ukuthi hayi mara these two asikhulumeni ivari nga these two they wara yabona yaqala ukuduma ke nani.
Then esikoleni how is it like when since like cause now we trend ngapha ku Facebook then esikoleni what's happening as a woman nje, what's going on nje, especially like phela one thing about girls nina you guys hate each other man, I don't know why cause even if no post this tombe if you could check like the analytics it's mostly abajida abantu abalikehayo.
Cause for mina esikoleni I feel like abantu abaningi engibaziyo mangibabheka ngaposta angibaboni mara like ngiyabazi and then namhlanje maybe like umuntu ongitshela ukuthi yo yazi ngibonana nomuntu wakho post into so mara mangicheck ukuthi okay sharp mara ngikuboni like awureactanga wenzanga next so like ngiyabona ukuthi okay sharp abanye vele like bayibona mara like abangisupport at all but then like abanye abageli bakhona abangcanyayo mhlawumbe umuntu asiyo mina ngiyakuthanda ngifeni lakho na yabo lonto leyo ngiyayithola ukuthi okay mara laba like futhi umuntu yakhona ilonga ngazi at all ongekho close nami mara lo close like ngeke uzumbone at all like ngeke even ngathi upost at least okay ngi understand maybe uhlezi ngiposta kakhulu mara leyo picture A1 ke nawe yasho ukuthi hey umuhle na because nami ngimind nami ngizokusupporta manje ke sengize ngajwayela vele because ngisitshelile ukuthi yazini like audience yami ngifuna ngingasabantu like abaduze nami yabo ngifuna la kuba abantu abakude abangangazi because umuntu like angeke umuntu avetana ngizondo angangazi nokungazi yabo so yeah
and shem mina bengithi hayi sidume like ekasi but then mangibona ngathi worldwide honestly
sure
like akukho la singafika khona bangabi nalo nomuntu ofuna ukushutha nathi nje say west manje sinokuphuma siya Israel le ema Boksburg fika umuntu usharp yazi ngiyanazi ngicela ukushutha nani case yasuka siye Pretoria sekunomuntu ofuna ukushutha nathi sakuphi yabona njengala eMsotra today una someone bese taxini kuna someone ovele nje wahlanya nje waza nje taxini plus bese Francis wasitshela ukuthi ngiyanthanda couple yami wara yabona stuff like that so mina bengithi hayi maybe sidume kasi so but I think like seku west like Durban yonke lama province lawo wonke kahle Limpopo masingayi Limpopo still Durban because Durban basifaka kuma profile picture abanye like nje i fan base yethu inkulu like Mozambique yabona yeah because kunama creators from Mozambique bathi bayasithanda abanye bayasiposta uma ngala uposta umuntu negama alifundeki because wase Mozambique yabo eish but hayi sibonga uthando otherwise hayi sibonga uthando one love
like who are your favorite Kasi couple like other like favorite Kasi couple hlampa khona hlampa nibuke and like anybody like yo even this wow like it's nice
like nanoma ikuphi nje
nanoma imuphi any cast like
okay like for nobani
hayi wena isho yakho
khuluma qala
isho bakho it doesn't matter kuyafana
no like for me I don't know if it's like abasekazi and stuff mara amazontsontso no McD
no
yabo so yeah
anibazi
because kudume bona like manje like umshado wabo and stuff yabo
bashadile
but labo Washington okay
because like I'm doing like what you like abanye ne obvious bakhona laba bakhuluma like umsangano na but then like yo like mina bayangichaza because I feel like but like khona those video like uMcD ngasi bekafuna ngeklabini or something like that yabo so bekacela ugel na and like it cute because yabo like umuntu wakho like every time like la yakhona hlezi like uyenza sure ukuthi mekabuya umphathele ama flower or whatever and because I think I'm proposing like boma I don't know when mara like akasathanga like amayezi ukuthi manje azamshade I think umshado boma next month or the same month ngisakhumbuli so yabo wakhipha namalobolo khona lapho so mina bayangichaza for mina
okay and then for wena
mina currently ayikho Kasi couple mina like bekunomnye umjita abathu stressless nathi yabo lo mjita yayo yonke into bengibhekela kuyo ukuthi hayi man la out lena ngiyayincane into ayenzayo yabona there's this guy futhi abathi ukhozi killer drip child naye bekunokubheka kuye lapho yabo futhi lapho ke bengisase small creator ke ngisano 5.4k naye benginokubheka kuye ukuthi le out lena ngifuna nami into eso especially lapha sathandana nenye imeli abathi ukuxwano bengibathanda
they were very popular ne
bengibabheka like bengihlezi bengichaza man like yabona bebengichaza sinini bawasha izitsha boyi2 like le nto nami bengiyibona ngifuna nami ukuthi hayi nami la one day yangithola but there's this guy stressless nathi lo yabe ngibheka kuye ke ukuthi hayi nami ngifuna into enje yabo ngifuna into esong bengibhekela kuye but currently hayi mina angibhekeli kumuntu currently ngenza mina na ngenza like nje yabo angazi ngayibeka kanjani mina yithi like ngibhekela thina abanye honestly angeke ngithi like by favorite couple yami yes ngiyaba supporta ngiyabathanda na but I wouldn't say ukuthi iba favorite yami no hayi but bona ngiyabathanda ngiyabasupporta I stalk them obvious ngiyabona ukuthi ayinhle lento nani yabo
do you guys like consider getting married Like if maybe now someone would set a budget for you guys to get married, would you get married?
Like manje.
Yeah.
Hayi ngeke.
Mina old mina. Akulindweni.
Mara sikuse early. Okay, akukho early mara like sure. So siyashada and then what? Cause asina muzi, asina next.
Yeah, but angithi it's an assurance ukuthi umuntu wakho naye umuntu wakhe.
Mara awuyingalok even if nishadile baya cheata baya divorce still kuyafana.
So wena uthi makungathiwa sine budget uri sinemali manje angeke sishade.
No.
Why?
Cause angeke ngitshela ukuthi wena ufuna ukushada awuna muzi awuna next like akakawakhi next empilweni yakho mara una social deal.
Maybe that's why nami vele lapha uri angeke ngishade nganandlu.
Cause angeke
there's no way if ngangakabi nandlu angeke ngishada kanjani ngisabloma neold lady. It doesn't make sense. Ngishada kanjani ngana moto angeke fanele ngiqale ngilungise into zami grand ngiyazi nginendlu imoto ikhona because leyo mali ngabe ngispenda lapho honestly or sengispenda kwezinye izinto ezonginika imali mo ngoba angeke ngishade but anginamoto ngisahlala nomama mami. It doesn't make sense at all.
Okay
lapho ngiyakuzwa mina but if kuthiwa ke sinendlu ke
yeah understanding.
Or you guys would get
but ngathi uyadansa
nje. Angidazi.
Kahle uyabona.
Ufila ngathi kusase early.
Nami ngibona kanjani nami lento engiyibonayo.
Ufila ngathi kusase early.
No like ayukuthi mina angifuni ukukotisa. Besides nola ngizobe ngiyemakhaya ngiyokotisa and stuff. Sengiyasho ukuthi mina like balekile ukuthi at least like uzakhele something for wena before like yabo ushada nan.
Mase sizakhelile ke.
Yeah then it's fine. Angimind.
Ngathi still ayithemba.
Akangithembi because mina ngikhuluma lento leyo ukuthi angeke like so jahela umshado mara like awuna next.
Yeah.
Manje sekumele sibhizi sinyonyo bakini manje mara shadile.
Yabo nami ndaswa i-creepy kanjalo. Nami lento engisho ukuthi it doesn't make sense.
Ngiyadile kodwa ngiyanyonyoba. Ayile nami ngizwa vela ngeke ku right. Imagine couple eshadile yanyonyoba.
Yabo it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Okay. Before we wrap it up because so ivala. Ngibone ku page lakho. There's a verse that you quote there. Like, are you a church goer?
Quote any?
Like, there's a verse.
Oh, a verse.
Yeah.
I am not a church goer.
Serious?
I'm not a church. Mina ngule awuthi ukuthi yasithandazela endlini. I do believe in God with all my heart. Ngiyasithandaza but ngithandaza endlini, ngiyathandaza ngikhulume naye umdala ukuthi kusona so phrase ungipha amandla. Ngikhulume nje naye ngimbekele inkinga zami because honestly bengi church goer ngisayintwana yabona. Nakhona ukuthi bengifoster ugogo yabona ngithi uyazi mawuhlala nogogo uyakutshela ukuthi if awufuni ke esontweni ke mina ngicela ukukhindlu yami uphume uzobuya mangibuya nami yabona into ezinjalo. Yeah so but mina experience yami ngokubona nje most yamasonto like ama fake yabo most yamasonto nje amen hallelujah lamasonto namapiano like nje most yamasonto usually manje abanye sebayuza like igama la kaMdali ngokwenza imali yabo most like ama fake mawungezwe omunye ama pastor banfastisa bona yena sekayadla kubukuphi yabona so mina ngicamela ukuziringela straight noMdali ngikhulume naye straight ngikhulume naye maybe ngishaya ikhandlela or nguqe phansi ngikhulume naye personally yabo ukuthi Mdali kusona so sengiyahluleka manje phrase amandla nani ngikhulume naye personally angizwe naye makangizwa rather than ukuthi ngiyesontweni nani because sometimes emasontweni ngifila ngathi kudlalwa ngathi yabo sometimes because abanye abafundisi uyababona sinenini abantu badlisa utshani yabona into ezinjalo ngoba abantu nabo phela ba desperate angithi nabo abantu yabo
abanye donate 10 rand asayisisi imali encane kanje
yabo kanje
uNkulunkulu ufuna 100 rand kuyaphezulu
yabo
basho kanjalo so uyabona ukuthi hayi sesindlela zakho the more donate more the more now izinto zakho zizoba more
blessings yeah you'll get more blessings the more you donate
imali zakho izokugcina so uyafaka la
yabo and the most people bacathi maybe mawuye esontweni wena uholier than what
yeah bakhona
and aba understand ukuthi first isonto lokuqala emntwini naye inhliziyo isonto lokuqala emntwini naye inhliziyo ungaye esontweni wenzeni ushumayela uzujuluke but inhliziyo yakho ingakavuleki ingakathandela abanye abantu izinto ezinhle then you wasting your time fanele inhliziyo uqale kube yiyo inhliziyo ikhululeke ivuleke inhliziyo ithandele nabanye abantu izinto ibe grand inhliziyo ibe yinhle you can't be going to church nenhliziyo engcolile nani but wena ucabanga ukuthi uholier than abanye abantu nayi first ina inkonzo yokuqala emntwini inhliziyo ayibe yinhle ayivuleke yamukele like nje ithandele nabanye abantu izinto ezinhle nawe ke zizokulandela ama blessings nani because inhliziyo yakho ivulekile ayinakungcola because ama blessings awahlali endaweni engcolile so nje inhliziyo vula inhliziyo.
When my sister, do you go to church or now you've got the same belief?
Nah, mina like angihambi esontweni mara ukuthandaza like ngiyathandaza. Sometimes like angazi man mara like mangihambi isonto like hey ngivetane ngizele mina ngilale shem. Ngizolala like kuze kuphele isonto ngilokho ngilele lapho maybe like sebathi yevuka inini cause like angazi I feel like ku right like mangithi like ngithandazele kithi nanana because yabo even eBible liyasho ukuthi like if like ufuna mina ungene like ekamereni uvala umnyango and then yabo yeah cause nanto le like khona nanto le ukuthi like okay maybe like basimele ufast nanana like umuntu sekayasixoxela manje hey yazi mina ngibona nje ngifastile inini like there's no need ukuthi usitshele cause into le iphakathi kwakho nomdali yabo cause even eBible liyasho ukuthi like there's no need if like ufastile keza ube right ube normal ungabonisi manje because wena ufuna manje ukuchaza abantu ukuthi hey mina like ngenza ezisona so even nokuthandaza like uma ngalo umuntu thandaza indendende into end as hey shibere ubona ukuthi like yini like umuntu yabo lapho wanayo nenhliziyo embi kanti athandaza kasothandaza ukuthi hey lo muntu lona kanti umthakathi wanayo so nje ay for mina I feel like ngi right like mangithandazela kithi yeah
khulume nomdali personally straight umxoxele ukhulume naye.
Okay any last words mhlambe like to your fans sesivala nje to abantu nje abanlandelayo like and also to other upcoming influencers because now once upon a time you were an upcoming influencer not so long ago but you are where you are today and there's someone who's looking like who be like yo ngifuna ukufana noNkanyiso man yangithola yeah
mina into engayisho ukuthi yabona yenza into yakho yenza into yakho ukuthi ubani uthini hayi kuyafana abantu vele bayohlezi bekhuluma abantu angeke bakujabulele awusimali even God had haters uNkulunkulu bekanama hater naye wena ubani uzothanda wonke umuntu ubani nami into engiunderstandile because kunabanye abangizonda ngingabenzanga next angimazi asazani but sekangizonda umuntu so and akangihate anyhow or whatever because ngiyazi ukuthi hayi vele ama hater ngizoba nawo enemies ngizoba nawo yabona but mina into engizongisho ukuthi nje focus entweni oyenzayo ukuthi ubani uthini as long as nje yabona futhi nayi quote engithanda too much le ukuthi yenza noma yini to escape poverty as long as you're not hurting anyone yenza noma yini escape poverty as long as kungalimali umuntu kungana umuntu okhalayo yenza noma yini for ukuthi ube grand yenza noma yini
right lapho because kulesikhathi samanje intsha eningi iseyidakamizweni babhemonya upe ngesimo sepoverty umuntu uzothi angisebenza ngenze lutho then abone kungcono ukuthi abheme enze zonke lezi zinto
yabo unfortunately ke akumelanga kwenziwa ama excuse no excuses ama excuses wakhipheni nathi sikhule ababa wasikhulisanga ngeke ngithi ngiyabhema ngenxa ukuthi ubaba ngimazi akangikhulisanga ubaba regardless we move unfortunately we move regardless nje no matter the circumstances siyakhuphuka ngizona ama excuse nama complain ngoba naye bengikhuza yena ngama complain nama excuse because naye I think labantu ukuthi makwenzakala something bad sekaya complain seka shut down sekayakhala sekaba miserable and manje mina ngiyamkhuphula ukuthi yes uzoba nama bad days ungalahla ifone manje but then ikhala leyo one day uvuke ke uqhubeke nempilo because angeke kumele impilo ukuthi ube grand yona isikhathi siyahamba ngeke uze bathi u12 o'clock izohlala ku12 iyaqhubeka impilo with or without you so nje ukuba miserable akusizi or ukcomplaina akusizi so yenza into yenzayo if ayenzeki forced amakuphela amandla sebenzisa inkani ungacomplain ungashayi ma excuse just do it that's why ngithanda ninike nje just do it yenze yenze lento yenze usaba yenze kunganamuntu iyenze nje just do it yenze
for mina lama influencer lawo ne okay like umuntu let me say like okay post something into khona yabakhulumisa yabo and then umuntu uthola ukuthi naye uyahola yabo asigxeke ngalento esenzayo maybe like a screenshot yabo I post naye lonto leyo mara le caption yakhe uzofuna ukusigudla mind you naye uzohola ngaleyo picture leyo yena sigxeka ngayo so like ngi-understand ukuthi instead of okay Sharp ngcono mawuzoyishare because if uyayiposta shuthi nawe ufuna imali ngayo leyo picture leyo mara wena ufuna ukubonisa sengathi okay Sharp uyasigxeka nani mina ngisho ukuthi if like unenkinga nathi doesn't need ukuthi manje kumele uzungibonise or ucomment izinto like into ezibhedayo like vele ungiblock him yabo and ungangazisi because abanye bayakwazisa ngazo maybe like asiyo hayi mina sengizokublock manje so ufuna ngenzeni ngincenge ngithi ngikhale ngithi okay Sharp yo ngiyacela ngicela ungangiblock ngizokutshela ngiblock it's fine laba bafuna ukuhlala bazohlala because bakhona abantu ngibabona ukuthi okay Sharp laba bayas understand ukuthi okay singabantu abanjani laba bayafuna ukuhlala nathi and yabo bayas understand so yeah mina shem one love to my fan army nama fans army nalabo bangisupportayo even if bangireactile mara
namba mfethu one love kulabo abangincanyayo hayi uthando lisiye ngilibonile na last year I never thought mina ngathi mangihamba kube nomuntu ofuna ukuthatha nami isithombe angaze ngalala ngavuka ngicabanga leyo nto but manje nami sengina certain status so ngibonga uthando bafethu one love
hayibo kahle my sister sesivala so sesigudla abantu obani labo
no akusumuntu like sengiyasho ukuthi like bakhona nebabhaya siyababona siyathula ukuthi hey it's fine nanigolani ngayo picture yethu even though nina nenza sengathi manje yanibhora
it's other big influencers
yeah bakhona ba big ababona ukuthi lo yeah mara most I feel like laba ba big bayishare bona instead bayishare yebo and mabayishare so obvious kuwe wena ama views i-reach yanyuka nani so wena uthola imali more yabo laba abanye masazama ukuthi bahole bayabona ukuthi so mina vele ngithola 100 likes hayi nami sengithathe le picture le kube ngathi so umuntu sekazothola 1k ngenxa kabani ngenxa yethu sekazothola imali so anento leyo once ayenza kayi1 sekazofuna ukuyenza kaningi because sekayabona ukuthi hayi nami ngiyahola phela la sekenza kaningi so
yeah it's really bad but anyway guys thank you very much for coming
we soul sync phela bafethu uthando siyayisulugqugquzela ukuthi malikhulu liye phambili so singathanda nje bhuti nawe umazisi umama ukuthi umthanda kangakanani siyavala
mara lento ngiyayibonisa mosimina inkinga mina yabona iflop akusumuntu othanda ukukhuluma naye uyazibonela angisakhulumi nje into eziningi naye ngeke ngamtshela ukuthi le ndaba zama paragraph ngizozikhuluma into eziningi angifuni mina ngifuna ukubonisa uzozibonela ukuthi hayi le igcwele ngami kahle kahle yangincane
kodwa phela nange eduze kwakho so ungakhuluma naye umtshela ukuthi mama ngithanda kangakanani ngeke thina sikufunza amagama
sengisho leyo nto necessary vele
because akushayi so like nambe ngengisho because ngishayo
mara sothi mngami uyazi mos yakufrustana uyazi nawe and le ndlela isaseyinde yabo kusazonyiwa mfethu kusazonyiwa sisazotesteka because sisasebancane sisazotesteka sisazo gowa interview obvious umdala uyatestana phela uvela lethi challenge afuna ukubona ukuthi okay who's weak yabo alethi challenge ukuthi hayi nayi challenge so sisazoba nama challenge sisazotesteka sisazolingeka yabo ama temptation azoba maningi sisazonyiwa like it's like impilo kahle kahle ngithi yasho impilo impi sempini la so yeah wazi ukuthi mfethu uthando lwethu liqine more than lezi zinto esizoziface nani so nje yabo thina asenze into right nje angithola uyazi nje ngizohlezi ngokufrustana okay thingithi no matter what ke no matter what ngiyohlezi ngokufrustana no matter what
umzihlezi ngincane
hayi angisazi niyabona
because kodwa seniyangibheka like ngazi like cause niseyena akhulume
yeah nawe phela
lo mina la kuncaye singamthanda naye yakwazi lokho mara akangazi ngizothini
express yourself
okay Sharp for mina like uyacaba usidlile into eziningi like dala dlula through like izinto ezibhaya and like hlezi ukhona for mina like every time yabo ukuze na account yami iwe la ikhona ukuze nami ngibe la ngikhona ngasho ukuthi okay Sharp buwe yabo ngaqamba manga ngithini ngithi hey ngizenzile wara yabo so like ngifuna ukubonga mina ngakho konke ngenzele kona yabo and like asiqhubeke sibambisane the way sibambisane ngakhona and yeah obviously umuntu uyenza ama flop nani so yeah anyways nami ngiyakuncane
wow
yeah Hayi siyabonga bafethu. Siyabonga
Hayi, sibonga.
ukuthi nisivakashele. Siyajabula kakhulu kuba nani. Sinifisela okuhle kodwa othandweni lenu. Nibamsane njalo nje. Yeah.
Hayi siyabonga.
Yeah, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And we are out.